Hi, World Religion and AP Human Geography students. I'm Miss Johnson. I'm really excited about being your teacher this year, whether we're e-learning or in brick and mortar. World Religion students, there's nothing that you need to purchase for the class. I will be providing everything that you need, the books that we use, we only use in class from time to time. So you're good. And I only have 3 minutes, so I'm going to have to focus a lot on AP Human Geography. All right? So the things that you all will need to purchase, and I've already told Barnes & Noble, so they should have them on hand, would be the 2020 AP Human Geography Princeton Review Premium Edition. This is the one from last year, not the new one. You need to get the one from last year. Okay? The next thing that you need to purchase will be the Barron's AP Human Geography Vocab Flashcards, 3rd edition. Okay? And the third thing that you need to purchase is the AMSCO 2020 Advanced Placement Edition of Human Geography, and it's by Perfection Learning. So all 3 Barnes & Nobles will have. If you wanted to order them off of Amazon, that is a possibility. The publisher of the AMSCO book, if you want to order it from them, you can call them at 800-831-4190. Human geography, it sounds like it would be an anatomy class, but it's not. It's basically how human beings interact with each other and interact with the environment. It could have been called globalization, because that's really what it is. I think you'll find the course very fascinating. It's very intense. It's very high moving. It's going to be different, obviously, if we're e-learning. It probably won't be quite as challenging because of the test I will not be able to give that I normally give. So when we're in brick and mortar, it'll be harder than when we're doing e-learning. But I will make e-learning as rewarding and as good of a learning experience as I possibly can. I promise you that. But get ready to work a lot. Okay? Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your summer, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.